Y'all, welcome back to Mattie's Kitchen, and today I'll be doing a really short video, and it's on my pots. They ask me about my pots and my pan. They ask me all the time where I got them from, but where I think I got them from was Walmart or the PX, and that's the PX is the store on the Army base, and that's why I bought them, and I think I did. But anyway, the name of these pots are called WearEver, WearEver, and that's the name of them. That's what I see, and they, like I said, I clean them. I'm gonna work on these a little bit and show you how. But what I'll be using is I just use a comic soft cleanser bleach. That's what I use, and I use the liquid dish detergent, any kind, honey. It could be the cheapest kind because I also put this Clorox in it, and once I put the Clorox in, they're gonna make all the bubbles you want. And this, I use this SOS. So I'm getting ready to show you how I do them. But like I said, these pots, and the reason I think that these pots look so good is because I keep them clean. I make sure I clean them good, and that's what makes them shine. And like I said, I've had them about 35 to 40 years. Put a little bleach in my water, like I told you. And see, my pots is so clean, but I'm going to show you how I clean. I put a little bleach in my water, and the water be really hot. And the bleach don't mess up these pots. It just make them shine more. I put a little dish detergent in there, just a little bit. Like I said, it don't matter what kind it is because it's going to make bubbles. All I want is some bubbles. And then what I'm going to start with this small pot. Now, you see, this pot, I could have got that out. I probably was rushing. See that little spot in there? And I'm going to take a Brillo pad. And that's what I do. But I know y'all know how to do it. But I'm just going to put a little light on it because, y'all ask me so much about it. And I really feel good about it. I put this comic in there. And all I do is take and just do some elbow grease. And these things come clean. I make sure nothing is in them. I clean them around here. And there's nothing to them because I'm really not showing y'all too much, but this is how I do mine. And see that on there? I take and scrub this. All that off there. I take and scrub it because I don't want that around my pots. And when I got really clean pots and I'm doing it on YouTube, it makes me feel so good. When I get those compliments and stuff, I feel really good. And I just go all around. That's all I do. And that's all, if you got some pots that got a little stain on them, a lot of stain on them, just start using some Brillo pads. Get some of this comic and just an SOS pad. It don't matter. I said Brillo, but I use any kind that's on sale. Because what matters is the elbow grease. You got to put some work on them. And I clean all around here. And I hold it and make sure. And that's what I do every time I cook in them. And these pots, like I say, if you can find the biggest pot, let me know, please. I would like to know. And I hope you all are tuning into my clothes on there. My line, my merchandise I have on there. Just look at them. See, now this pot, this is what I do. But if this pot was nasty, I would spend more time on it. So I take and rinse it because I don't want my water to get dirty. I rinse it out and see how it looks. See how most times pots don't shine in where that writing is on, but mine do because I work on it. And I'm not doing nothing that nobody else can't do. If they don't want to do it, the food going to taste about the same. So that's up to you. If you want to do it or not. Because like I said, I don't see no difference how the food going to taste. With a dirty pot might season the food better. I don't know. You got a little seasoning. So I do that pot for a 35 to 40-year-old pot. And I do it all the time, so that's why it's easy for me. And I take them, set it aside. And then I take the top of it, see the top of this pot, and do the same thing. I just go in there, clean it. And this is, I don't like giving y'all no lesson on cleaning. I don't mind doing it, but I know you know. Because the only reason I'm doing this right here is because you all ask me so many times where you get your pots from. And like I say, I really don't know. If anybody knows, this is between Walmart and the PX. And I went on Google and tried to Google, but I didn't see them. These pots might have been gone out because, like I said, that was about 40 years ago. Now, see this pot right here? I'm going to wipe it down with this rag. Look how it shines. I mean, that's a good shine. So, see how, look how it's shining. And some of that, see like that right there, that can't come off. It's just with age and wear, you know, some of it, because I wish it was looking like that all the way through, that's shining like that. But that's, when you're cooking something, don't expect for it to shine like forever. But mine do shine pretty good. And I'm going to set that there. And do the same with all of them. I dry them off good, wash them. And the best way to keep your pots clean is to wash them as soon as you get through cooking. You know, you don't want that stuff to set on it. And when they're hot, they're easy to clean too. And I dry my pots off and get ready for the next video, whatever I'm going to cook. That's it. Shine side, that's shining. But these were shining too. Now I'm going to take this pot. This is the one I cook in the most. So I keep this one pretty clean. Like some of it, this stuff is old, see? Like this right here, I didn't do that good because I knew how, before I cook them, I always clean them again. So I take and go around here, same way. And just do it, it's easy. I hope you all get me some subscribers because I be doing my best to show y'all what I'm doing. And I don't have very many subscribers for the videos. Most of my YouTubers, they always say that I do a good job and I should have more subscribers, and I think I should too. I do my best, you know, and I think I should. Okay, and I'm gonna turn this one over. I do it every time I wash it. See there? I turn it over. But now through age, it should look like that all the way, but it's never gonna look like you just bought it. Like I said, these pots are about 40 years old. And if I knew how important they were gonna be, I would have bought a lot of them. At least 2 sets. Because they do last. But like you see here this? That's what I do. And I go around the rim too, because I don't like to see around here. I don't like for that brown grease cooked on food to be around here, and I do that. And I also do, see, when you're doing a pot, you should go right in between these little, right there. I do that too. Do all of that. I should have put something up there, but that's okay. No problem. To hold this. And that's what I do, y'all. That's all I do to my pots. And they shine and they look good. I get a lot of compliments from them. And most people think that the food, to make the food taste better, when you got to clean the pot, they say, that's why your food looks so good, because of the pots. I don't know. Might be. And so I wash all around here, and they last. If you do find someone, if you take care of them, they'll last you forever. You'll wind up giving them away. When I pass on, these pots going to look the same, and I'm going to leave them to somebody whoever want them, because I don't know. Like I said, these pots might be gone. They might not exist no more, but everywhere or wherever, whoever you are, you just don't know how popular your pots are, because a lot of people on YouTube ask me about these pots. And I love them. They make me love them. The more they ask, the more I love them. Because they're seeing something that I got used to seeing. And that's what I do, y'all. I just shine them up good. Wash them. Put that up. It helped my little skinny arms, too. I think I get some little muscles by doing this. Okay. And I love being y'all grandmother. Okay. Now set this here. And that's it. I'll do the other one the same way. Like I said, this is a little short video. And I'm just trying to show you what it is. And make sure y'all tune to Mattie's Kitchen. And tell me in the description what you want me to cook. When somebody tell me what to cook, I try to cook. It might take me 2 weeks sometime, but I try to get it done. And this is it. My videos. My pots. That's how I keep them clean. And don't that look clean, y'all. Can't hardly get a 30-year-old pot any cleaner than this. And the reason they are so clean, when I get through cooking, I take that Brillo pad, that Comic salt cleaner, bleach. You got bleach in it. And the bleach don't hurt these pots. I don't think bleach hurt really many pots. I have seen a lot of them that I don't think it hurt them. And I dry them off real good and get ready for the next video and get ready to cook something. And y'all keep telling my pots look good so I can keep keeping them looking good. Okay, see how that's shining? Now you can see the difference in that one and this one. Now this pot right here, see this pot inside here? I got to work. See, that look dull on it because I burnt this pot. I had some food in here and I burned it really, really bad. But what I did was I put a little bleach in here and it took all the stuff off. And then you can tell, see, that pot has been burnt. But I try my best to keep it up, you know. I do that. Because it was worse than this, but it's getting a little better. Yeah, just stir up on it. This one is the worst one. I definitely would like to get another one of these. Because I cook my rice in here and stuff, and when I'm cooking for a small amount, and it cooks really good, you ain't got to worry about it wasting all over your stove. And you know what, y'all? I do my stove the same way I do this. I take and put some, on my top of my stove, I take and put some, use a SOS pad, and I put some of that Kumbic, I spray it on there, and I start using my elbow. And just clean it. And I think I'm a kind of a clean freak anyway. I do a lot of work and then trying to keep stuff clean all the time. Most people not dedicated like this, but I am. It's something I like doing. I like cooking and I like doing my flowers. And like I said, my merchandise, y'all support me and buy an outfit. Those leggings, oh, they are so beautiful with the flowers on them. Just go in there and buy an outfit and to support me. And get me some subscribers, y'all. And this is it on my pots. This is it. See, like I said, this one got burned a little bit, but it's still cleaner than most pots. So, but every time I wash it, it get better and better. Okay, y'all, here's my pots, like I said, and I hope you all tune in and get me some subscribers. And like I said, if you know anybody that you've seen these pots somewhere on YouTube, ask your friend or somebody, and they're watching my video, put it in the notes on the bottom that you tell me where they come from so I can go buy me a big one. And I thank you all for tuning into my videos. Like I said, it's a little quick one showing you about my pots because I get a lot of comments on these pots, and I feel really proud. I feel really proud of these pots and stuff, and I appreciate it. And thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and share it with friends and family. And have a great day.